Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix matchmaking failed error in the finals. So the first thing what I suggest you to do here, if it's not working for you, is to change your matchmaking region and try to play the game. If it's not working, then for some people basically it worked, just restart the game and the client. For example, I'm using Steam, so I just need to restart the Steam and then close the game and turn it again, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if you're having the same issue here, what I suggest you to do here is to, if you need to change your platform region. So on Steam it's quite easy. You just need to go to Steam settings, then downloads, and here you can change your download region here. But if you're playing, I believe, on PS4, PS5, you need to just log into a new profile and then try the game, right? And if it's not working for you, then what I suggest you to do here is to verify integrity of the game files. Maybe your files is corrupted, so what you need to do here is to go to the finals, properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. And still, if it's not working, then I suggest you first is to test your internet speed, and if you have a good speed, you're good to go. But if you don't, then I suggest you to restart your router. And if it's not working, then I suggest you to just, if you're using PC, go to settings, then you need to go to network and internet, and then you need to go to advanced network settings. And out advanced network settings, there is an option, network reset. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put password again, but if you're using internet, you're good to go. Reset your network, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then I suggest you to reset your DNS server addresses, change your DNS server addresses. And to do so, you can do on PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. I will show you how you can do that on PC, but if you play on console or you just need to Google that out, right? So advanced network settings, your internet connection, here, select it, then more network adapter options, and then internet protocol version 4. And here use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, try the game, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button, and if I did not, just unlike the video and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.